Why do you have to throw a piece of plastic when you can spend the next 10 minutes building this from scratch? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, the eToyin Builds. Today we'll be building a classic piece of digital engineering, the electronic dice roller. But here's the question: computers are digital machines. They do exactly what they are told. So how do you teach a logic machine to be unpredictable? How do you generate a truly random number using nothing but code and a floating wire? It's simple, it's fun, it looks awesome on a breadboard. Grab your jumpers and let's build. The components you'll be needing, the components that are needed for this project: you need one Arduino board. You can use an Arduino Uno, you can use a Nano or any similar board. For me, in this project, we're using an Arduino Uno. So then you need 7 LEDs. 7 LEDs, you can choose blue, you can choose red, you can choose green. But for this project, we'll be using red. Then you need 7 resistors. 7 resistors. The 220 ohms or the 330 ohms will be needed. Then also you need one push button, tactile switch. Then also you need a breadboard and jumper wires. So those are the things that are needed for this project. To mimic a real die, I will have to arrange my LEDs on the breadboard in an H or rectangular pattern. So this is where I'm going to do it. So the first one, the top left LED is going to go to pin 3. The top right LED will go to pin 4. The middle left LED will go to pin 5. The middle right LED will go to pin 6. The bottom left LED will go to pin 7. The bottom right LED will go to pin 8. And then the middle, the one at the center, will go to pin 9. And also take note that what you are connecting to the pins are the longer part of your LEDs. The longer part of your LED is what you are connecting to the pins. So the longer part is the positive side of your LED, that is the anode. That's what you're going to connect to the LEDs. So you are going to connect to the pin. So these are the 7 pins. You are connecting each pin from to pin 3 through to pin 9. So the top left pin is going to pin 3 like that, just as we explained in the previous slides. So that's where you're going to connect it. These are the pins. Then also you are going to make sure you connect your resistors. That's 220 ohms resistor to each short leg of the short leg of each LED. You connect your resistors to the short leg of each LED, and then you connect it to the ground. Then next, you're going to connect your button. You're going to connect one leg of your button, your push button, to pin 2 of your of your Arduino Uno. The pin 2 of your Arduino Uno, and then the other leg to the ground. Take note that we will use the Arduino internal pull-up resistor, so no external resistor is needed for the button. No external resistor is needed for the button because we are using the Arduino internal pull-up resistor. Next, you connect your power supply. That's your 5-volt pin from your Arduino board. That is where your Arduino is supplying the power to your board. So from your 5-volt pin of your Arduino board to the positive part of your breadboard, then you connect from the ground of your Arduino board to the ground of your breadboard. The next is that you are going to be connecting your Arduino Uno board or your Arduino Nano board, whatever Arduino you have, to your laptop. Then you upload the code that I'm going to be giving you. The link will be in the description below. You upload the code. Here's the way the code is going to look like. Here's the code. Upload it, and then you test your circuit. Now here's our finished work, so we're going to test it right now. So you can see I'm clicking it and it's bringing out different numbers for me. You can see it. All right then, thank you for joining me in today's episode of the eToyin Builds. Do well to subscribe, like, and share. Have a wonderful day.